Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, May 29th, 2024. Let's find out what's going on CHZUSDT Tether at daily time frame chart of the Zondacrypto cryptocurrency exchange. So what do we have here? It's a very nice breakout to the upside. So where is this market heading to? It looks like the next target for bulls is 0.160. So let's mark it in the red line, and it's very good to notice that we are not that far away from the recent swing high. Of course, the swing high is 0.168. So yesterday's high 0.153, 0.160 is the next target. So how is the momentum during this movement? Here RSI indicator will show us the current situation. There you go, we hit the extremely overbought market conditions while we are heading towards the main technical resistance. So some kind of a pullback is expected. So where do we have the support? It looks like the support might be a little bit lower than expected, 0.130, and there's one more level, 0.132. So this is the nearest technical support. It's worth to mention that we still have this major technical support located here at 0.089. so this is a very important technical support. So let's mark it like this, and as long as we trade above this technical support, the outlook remains bullish, basically, especially with this kind of momentum. Nevertheless, it's worth to take a look at the trend line here. If we can set the trend line from this high, moving from that high here, so that would be almost perfect to hit here with the recent price developments. But there is nothing wrong with placing our trend line something like this to the newest data, and we can see that we got a breakout yesterday above this short-term trend line resistance. So extremely overbought market conditions might be a trigger to pull back and test this trend line and resume the uptrend towards, of course, 0.160, 0.168. So it looks like bulls are in charge of this market. They are still making pressure on the bears. If we break above 0.160, the road to the yearly high remains open. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.